spacious living area where you can place your large size. We have your kitchen space that you can design like this. See how spacious this master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Vyom by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual tower. This over here is the actual tower and the main entrance. You can see the project is ready. People are already living in. So this may be the last chance for you to get your hold on this project. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has one tower of ground plus 16 story having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also talking about the amenities, this project has all basic amenities like gym, rooftop sit-out area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located on Gulmohar Cross Road number 10 Juhu, from where upcoming metro is at a distance of 2 minutes, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Juhu beach is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Western Express highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering your 3 BHK of the residential project Vyom. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1240 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living area where you can place your large size sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat. Also, your living is very spacious where you can easily accommodate 10 to 15 people at the very same time. Also attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables and tea chairs. Also, you can place swings if you want and enjoy the view with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Over here we have the starting of your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, common washroom and kitchen. On this side we have your kitchen space that you can design like this or you can customize it as you want. Here you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the sink. You can see your kitchen is very spacious. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator, and in the kitchen, you will be getting doors that connects you to the running balcony that is attached to your living area, and you can use this corner as your dryer space as well. Moving forward on this side, over here you have an extra utility space that you can customize as per your choice. You can make this your mandir corner or whatever you wish to do. That is totally up to you. And over here we have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space. Even after placing all your furniture, you can customize your TV unit. You can also customize the study corner if you wish to, and you still have space if you want to customize a beautiful seating corner. Also, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony look. And over here we have your wardrobe space provided that you can customize as per your choice, which is very spacious, and you can also build lofts if you want. Moving forward to the other bedrooms, Before that, let me tell you, over here you have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And besides, your common washroom is your second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious than the previous one. You can easily place your king size bed, your side tables, and again you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also, over here we have your wardrobe space that has great depth. You can also build loft if you want and has enough storage for all your needful things. Again, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade to give you beautiful standing balcony look, and from where you can enjoy your views. In this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's enter the most spacious master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see how spacious this master bedroom is. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize a beautiful seating corner over here that can be your study corner. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your TV unit, and one of the best part about this bedroom is that you have a walk-in wardrobe space where you can also customize a makeup corner if you wish to. Also over here, we have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And in this master bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a very beautiful and spacious balcony where you can make another seating corner if you wish to and enjoy the views with your friends and family. And this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vyom. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vyom by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.